how to sign up for Paybis account. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to sign up for Paybis account. Alright, so let's begin. Paybis is a cryptocurrency exchange and trading platform that allows users to buy, sell and exchange various cryptos. Now to get started, first of all, you need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar you need to type Paybis. Now search for it. Within a while you will be taken to the official website of Paybis here. Once you reach to this page, at the top right, you will find three horizontal bars. Tap on those bars and here you will find sign in button. Tap on the sign in button and now you will be redirected to this page. Here you will be presented with a login interface. At the very bottom you will find register. You need to tap on this register to create an account on it. Once you do that, now you can choose whether you want to sign up for a personal account or a corporate account. Once you have chosen one of them, now enter the email address on this box. Once you have entered, tap on this continue button right here. And now a verification code will be sent to your email address. Wait for the email and once you get it, enter it in this box. It also says you, if you can't find the email, you will also need to check your spam and other folders. Now once you get that verification code, you will need to enter it in this box. Now, after successful verification here, you will need to enter your phone number for your Paybis account. In this box, enter your phone number and the correct country code. After that, you need to tap on this little box right here to state that you have read and accept the terms and conditions. Now, after that, you need to tap on this continue button. After that, you will be taken to this space. Here, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Once you get that code, enter it in this box. After you enter the verification code, your Paybis account will be created. So that's basically how you can sign up for Paybis account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.